All right, outdoorsmen, out this morning, getting ready to do my mowing of my farm here in Missouri. Definitely got a lot of work to do, probably 20 acres of mowing, and then I want to get my blind built. That'll be another segment here at some point, but the mowing will be a big part. Getting ready for the fall. Hopefully I even have some time to get a food plot or two put in. I got a segment that definitely needs to have some rocks put in so that I can get across it. So we're gonna get working on that. So let's get outdoors. All right, everyone, as you can see, I got some rock and we're gonna scoot on out here and dump it into the channel that the beavers created. Lord, I'll be glad to be rid of them one of these days. So let's get going and get these rocks put in and hopefully be able to get a path across. Off. I think I'm going to try to get them in right there. Have a rock there, so hopefully we can get them put in there. I can throw on some hip waders or some other boots, and we'll be able to get them oriented and then get some shale and dirt over top, and then I'll be able to get back across here again. Let's keep moving. Get over it too far. Let's see if I can get that one back. Almost. Let's try one more time. Got it moving. This next one will do. I'll get her with my hand. Worth giving a pause. It's nice that I actually have a flock of geese. That have decided to go ahead and nest. Nope, not ready to fly just yet. Well, there you can see I just about have it filled in enough that I can get across. Let's see how this last bucket does. All going to go ahead and work a little backwards here and try to get a spot into my blind so I don't have to be trudging through all of the cattails and wetland grasses. So let's see how it goes. Unfortunately, it got soft pretty quick, and I have the tractor stuck. But I'm going to go get some materials, some come-alongs and some things, and hopefully I can get her out tomorrow morning. We'll see how she goes. All right, outdoorsmen, wrapping up day one. Got an awful lot of prep work done. As you saw, got a little bit of mowing done, got the ravine almost that the beavers dug filled in so that I'm able to get across, which will significantly save time for me. And hopefully tomorrow I'll be getting the big equipment in that my contractor is going to be doing so that I can get water off of my bigger impoundment. So hopefully you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, go ahead and give me a like and a subscribe. And until next time, get outdoors.